Love that iconic cruiser style, the low rumble, the stretched out frame, the road presence that turns heads. But dropping $15,000 to $30,000 on a Harley-Davidson? Not everyone's up for that. In this video, we're breaking down 7 motorcycles that give you serious Harley vibes without breaking the bank. These machines bring the power, the style, and the attitude, but with more comfort, reliability, and price tags that will leave you grinning. From classic road warriors to modern-day muscle bikes, we've got options for beginners, tourers, and everyone in between. Stick around, you might just find your next dream ride. The Triumph Bonneville T120. Imagine cruising through winding back roads, crisp leaves falling, and a refined engine humming beneath you. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is the perfect blend of nostalgic charm and contemporary performance. If you're drawn to the classic Harley Sportster look but want something easier to manage, lighter, and more refined, the T120 stands out as a top choice. Inspired by the legendary 1950s Bonneville, this bike stays true to its heritage while integrating up-to-date tech for a better ride. It runs on a 1200cc parallel twin engine that delivers 79 horsepower and 77 pound-feet of torque. What makes the T120 shine is how that torque kicks in smoothly, even at low speeds, making it friendly for riders of all levels. Weighing in at around 520 pounds, it's nimble without sacrificing stability. Its low seat height means most riders can confidently plant their feet on the ground at a stop. This bike doesn't just ride well, it's packed with thoughtful touches like heated grips, cruise control, LED lighting, and customizable riding modes, all housed in a vintage-inspired design. At $12,900, it undercuts Harley's Nightster in price, while offering greater reliability and a cleaner, more responsive feel. So if you're looking for a bike that blends timeless aesthetics with smooth handling and modern features, the Bonneville T120 is hard to beat. The Indian Scout Bobber. If you're after a raw, aggressive cruiser with bold American styling, the Indian Scout Bobber might be your perfect match. Indian Motorcycle stands as Harley-Davidson's fiercest rival, and the Scout Bobber is their answer to stripped-down, no-nonsense performance. With its blackout look, chunky tires, slammed stance, and minimalist silhouette, it oozes attitude, even when standing still. This bike is all about making a statement, and it does that effortlessly. At its heart is a 1,133 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin engine pushing 100 horsepower and 72 pound-feet of torque. It pulls hard, making for an exciting ride every time you twist the throttle. It's not just about power, though. The low 25.6-inch seat height and balanced weight make the Scout Bobber approachable for many riders. Whether you're tall, short, new, or experienced, it feels easy to throw a leg over and get going. Despite the tough exterior, it's modern where it matters. Keyless ignition, a bright LED headlamp, and responsive braking give you confidence and convenience. At just $10,750, it comes in well below Harley's Iron 1200 or Nightster, but still delivers more horsepower and sharper handling. So if you're chasing a bold American-made cruiser that nails both style and performance without the Harley price tag, the Indian Scout Bobber should be on your radar. The BMW R18. Picture this, you pull up to a stoplight and heads turn. The deep rumble of a massive engine fills the air, and when you twist the throttle, you feel raw authority beneath you. That's the vibe the BMW R18 brings to the road. Blending German engineering with a vintage American cruiser aesthetic, the R18 gives you the classic Harley-Davidson vibe. With a twist. Inspired by BMW's early motorcycles, it features a timeless teardrop fuel tank, exposed shaft drive, and retro styling that pays homage to the past while packing modern performance. Its centerpiece is a colossal air-cooled boxer engine, the largest BMW's ever made, offering a surge of torque that makes overtaking a breeze and cruising effortless. Whether you're on straight highways or weaving through curves, the R18's power delivery is smooth and always ready. What sets the R18 apart is how surprisingly manageable it feels for such a large cruiser. The bike's balanced weight and frame design make low-speed handling feel intuitive, and the ride quality stays plush thanks to its well-tuned suspension. Tech-wise, it features selectable ride modes, reverse assist, LED lighting, and BMW's renowned braking system with ABS, giving you both flair and safety. With a price tag of $18,700, it costs less than Harley's Heritage Classic and offers more cutting-edge features, all while being known for low maintenance and high dependability. If you're after a cruiser with timeless design and unmatched reliability, the R18 delivers. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R. If your dream ride feels more like a muscle car on two wheels, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R is built for you. This is the heavyweight powerhouse of the bunch, a high-performance cruiser with serious street presence. With its wide rear tire, bold stance, and stretched profile, the M109R looks aggressive and unapologetic. It's a head-turner and a road dominator, offering an alternative to Harley's Fat Bob 114 with just as much power and even more attitude. Underneath its striking look is a massive 1,783 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that cranks out loads of torque. This isn't your laid-back Sunday cruiser. It surges forward with authority, delivering thrilling acceleration at every light. Its forward controls and low-slung seat provide a surprisingly relaxed ride, balancing its aggressive nature with comfort. Despite the muscle bike aesthetic, Suzuki hasn't skimped on ride quality. Upside-down front forks and a solid rear suspension keep things smooth even at speed. The M109R is as reliable as it is powerful, benefiting from Suzuki's reputation for bulletproof engines and hassle-free maintenance, something not every Harley can claim. At $15,700, it's priced nearly $5,000 below the Fat Bob 114, yet offers comparable performance with a more distinctive edge. If you want a cruiser that brings both muscle and dependability, the Boulevard M109R delivers a powerful punch. The Honda Goldwing. Now imagine a ride where the only thing on your mind is the view. No aches, no stress, just pure first-class comfort on two wheels. That's the magic of the Honda Goldwing. While Harley-Davidson is known for its heavyweight touring bikes, they can come with drawbacks, hefty price tags, intense heat, and stiff rides. The Goldwing flips that narrative. This is the luxury sedan of motorcycles, engineered for long-distance comfort with cutting-edge precision. Powering it is an 1833 cubic centimeter six-cylinder engine, whisper smooth but muscular, ready to cruise all day long without breaking a sweat. Paired with a refined suspension system that rivals high-end cars, it glides over bumps and potholes like they're not even there. Whether you're carving up back roads or rolling down the interstate, the ride feels effortless. It's also packed with features: an electric windshield, heated seats and grips, Bluetooth audio, and cruise control, all designed to keep you cozy for miles on end. The integrated luggage system includes spacious saddlebags and a top trunk, and for passengers, it's luxury all the way with a plush backrest and armrests. At around $20,000, it's not exactly cheap, but compared to Harley's Road Glide Limited, which crosses the $30,000 mark and still doesn't ride as smooth or offer as many premium features, the Goldwing is a clear winner for touring riders. If you're looking for a long-distance machine that prioritizes comfort, reliability, and luxury, the Goldwing is a no-brainer. The Honda Rebel 500. Close your eyes and picture this. You're riding down a scenic highway, the wind gently brushing your shoulders, your bike gliding effortlessly beneath you. That peaceful, smooth, no-fuss ride. That's the Honda Rebel 500 in action. Often praised as a fantastic entry-level cruiser, the Rebel 500 isn't just for beginners. It's versatile enough to satisfy seasoned riders too. It strikes a perfect balance between easy handling, sleek design, and trustworthy performance. If Harley's beginner bikes feel too bulky or finicky, the Rebel 500 offers a friendlier, more approachable alternative. At its core is a 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that produces 47 horsepower and 32 pound-feet of torque. That may sound modest, but its delivery is smooth and predictable, making the ride feel relaxed and confidence-inspiring. Weighing just 400 pounds, the Rebel is one of the lightest cruisers in its class, perfect for navigating city streets or winding back roads without breaking a sweat. The ergonomics are a win for riders of all heights. With a low 27-inch seat height, upright riding position, and intuitive controls, the Rebel feels like it was built to fit you. Its dark, stripped-down styling gives it a custom bike feel right off the showroom floor, with details like an LED headlight, minimalist fenders, and a slim gas tank. Priced at just $6,500, the Rebel 500 undercuts Harley's Nightster by thousands, while delivering better reliability and lower maintenance costs. It's fuel efficient, low maintenance, and great looking, a rare combo in the cruiser world. If you're after a lightweight, stylish, dependable ride that's easy on the wallet, the Rebel 500 is your go-to. The Kawasaki Vulcan S. Think about this. You've always dreamed of cruising with that classic Harley feel, but the weight, the price, or the intimidating size held you back. Enter the Kawasaki Vulcan S, a sleek, modern alternative that keeps the cruiser vibe while removing the barriers. With its sharp, streamlined design and unmistakable cruiser silhouette, the Vulcan S immediately catches the eye. But where it really shines is in how rider-friendly it is. Weighing just 492 pounds, it's significantly lighter than most Harleys, making it easier to maneuver, especially for newer riders or those who want something more nimble. A standout feature is Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system. This unique adjustability lets you customize the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs to match your size and riding style. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, the Vulcan S adjusts to you, a level of personalization that many Harleys don't offer. Under the tank is a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable power. It's not thunderous like a big V-twin, but it's refined and steady, perfect for city rides, weekend getaways, or even light touring. And thanks to its liquid-cooled design, it stays cool in hot weather, avoiding the overheating issues that can affect some air-cooled Harley models. Best of all, the price is just $7,900, almost half the cost of a Harley Sportster S. You get cruiser style, rider comfort, modern engineering, and Kawasaki reliability, all in a package that's approachable and affordable. If you're looking for a smart, stylish cruiser that doesn't demand compromises, the Vulcan S is a fantastic place to start. So there you have it, 7 incredible motorcycles that capture the spirit of a Harley-Davidson without the steep cost or heavy weight. Whether you're after laid-back comfort, bold street style, or long-haul touring luxury, there's a bike here that fits your ride and your budget. Which one's calling your name? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear which bike you'd take home. And hey, if this video helped you discover a new favorite, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. We've got more Harley comparisons, bike deep dives, and industry news coming your way. Thanks for watching, ride safe, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.